All right, question 4. The scatter plot below. Plot the various lifespan in years against the variable sleep time in hours for a sample of 19 mammals. They love their mammals. On the assumption the association between sleep time and lifespan is linear, a least squares line is fitted to this data with sleep time as the explanatory variable. Okay, cool. The equation of the least squares line is that, the coefficient determination that. Draw the graph of the least squares line on a scatter plot. You've got to do this accurately and effectively use 2 points. Right now, how do you use 2 points? You don't just guess. They've given you the biggest hint here with the equation. Right, so the first thing is, because your graph here is starting at 0, you know that this 42.1 is actually a coordinate position. That's an actual coordinate position. So 42.1 is going to be, roughly speaking, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 42.1 is going to be roughly speaking there. Now, you've got to try and be as accurate as you can. I'll just put it roughly around 45. Where's another one that we will absolutely know? Well, they give us 18 here as the highest value in sleep time. And we can put that into my equation to actually get another coordinate position. So if I go back to my calculator screen and I do 42.1 minus 1.9 times 18, because that's my sleep time, that's going to give me a coordinate of 7.9, so just about 8. So again, trying to make it accurate as you possibly can. You guys will have a ruler, so can do this, and there will be a roughly 7.9. And then again, you have to draw a straight line passing through those points. And they actually do check, ladies and gentlemen, that they do that, yes? So I'm quite lucky that my screen, my software can sort of do this for me, but there we go. So it's only worth 1 mark.